UniqueSpace. Um, I guess the plaintiff, Spooky, representing good user. You may present your argument. You have the floor. Is that it? All right, cool. All right, Unique, you have the floor. What do you have to say?
Okay, would you all look in the court chat, please? I have some evidence that it's not just him calling me Ginger and calling me Demon. It's some other terms. All right, let me pull them up. If you could please look at those screenshots I just posted in the chat, especially this one is one that I would like you to all focus on. It is
Mm,
not just attacking myself; it is attacking all gingers that live on this planet. Uh, all right, so that's my evidence. The reason I'm
okay.
saying because it's not just like it's making fun of me. It's using it in like a derogatory term that I'm not very happy with.
Okay. So, is that the end of your argument?
Yes.
Okay, Spooky. Do you have a response? Okay. Do you have anything to say to that, Unique?
Okay, let me look back in chat. It's becoming them separately. Okay, please. Oops. Would you all please go back into the court chat and look at the screenshot I just posted of my custom wiki page. As you can see, it's very disturbing, very uh incorrect. I'm not like Turkish at all. Neither am I a demon. I am. Okay, okay. I just read the. Excuse me for losing composure. I just saw the UniqueSpace nut dust. Oh my god. Alright. Very. Alright. So. Yes, even though you could be calling that separately, that also is, say, let's just say offensive to myself, and that is, yeah.
Is that all?
Yes.
All right. What do you have to say, Unique Space? Spooky put something in chat.
Okay. Um, I'm suing him for, discrimination against, I mean, he is convinced that I am a demon, which you can see that I am not very clearly. And that's about it. He also, as you can see from the screenshots, they're not very, you know, using the word
Okay.
2nd, I'm checking something.
So your term's unique space. You basically just want them to stop.
Basically, and also stop editing my
Okay.
wiki page. I spent like, I don't know, a good 30 minutes on mine.
Okay. And so, Spooky, what terms do you have for your case? If you look in the Doctrines and Acts, there is a enactment on discrimination, if you'd like to read that. It's just the second one up from the bottom. But do you have anything to say, Spooky? How so? Do you response to that unique?
I'm trying to think. But that's still using if you were called to use blonde brunette or whatever the third one was, it would be still derogatory towards myself, and it's he's calling me okay. And are you saying that those two words are not related whatsoever in his eyes? Yeah, all right. Even on the wiki that it is, it shows. I'm taking this not out of context. It is a quote from the wiki.
Hmm. Unique, Kaiser would like to speak to you. Would you give him the stand, or are you good?
Sure.
Okay, Kaiser, you have the floor. Is that all, Kaiser? Okay. Spooking. Do you have a argument for Kaiser? But in my opinion, spooking, if someone is calling someone out in a language, they should know the language. Is that right? Okay, take your time. Okay. And how do you respond to a screenshot saying that gingers are subhuman? Is that an insult, or how is that to you? But spooking, isn't that slightly derogatory? Or so it is derogatory. Okay. Is that all from your side, Spooky? Okay, unique. Bring out your final arguments before I bring a
Okay, final argument.
final verdict.
It's not just used against myself. It is used against. Okay, let me find it. All of gingers like around the planet. That's he's not referring to just myself. He's referring to most people with red hair, if not all. And that's it.
Okay, that's your final argument. Unique. Was that your final argument? Okay. So, from what I've seen from this court case, I do that the final verdict that good user is in fact guilty of discrimination against gingers in general and basically just unique space. Um, I will file a restraining order for unique space, basically stating that he shouldn't be doing that. It is against the law. And if he does, every time he does it, I guess we'll mute him from chat for like 20 minutes. And course adjourned.